ready to create a course, you want to go to products, and you'll see I actually have two products here. Okay, so I have the live training replays, which I'm not sure that I'm actually going to put all of them in here because YouTube is actually working out really good for us, I think. You guys can definitely let me know your feedback. But I do also have a Google My Business course, okay? So you can create these courses, and inside they're actually called products, okay? So I can create a live training replays product, and then a Google My Business course product, and then maybe Google Ads and how to start a freelance business and things like that. All of those courses that we had previously, I still have. I just need to get them added. So each course would be a product, okay? Now, within those products, you can create offers, right? So the offer is going to be, like we just created this product here, and it's called Live Training Replays. And I actually don't want just the one product, right? If you want to create an offer, you're going to be lumping together multiple products. So in this situation, what I would do is once I get all of the courses created, or all the products created inside of the memberships, then I can just add that product into the same offer, and then it will update, and everyone that I've given access to this offer will also have access to those courses, okay? So let me go back out of here. So we talked about the offers. So let's talk about analytics now. So if you want to click here, you can actually find out lots of information about each product. So I'm going to click here, and you can see, I'm going to actually back out of this because I don't want you to see that information. I'm sorry. But I can see who has accessed the course and who has, how much they've completed and all of that. Okay, so that is one thing. So let's go out of here now and let's go to settings. Okay, so if you click site details, here's where you're going to name your course. You're going to actually add a subdomain here so that it's going to actually be this link. Is what your whole course is going to be. You want to put a support email, a support phone number, and then you also have, this magic link. And if you guys are familiar with, using like CSS and things like that, you have the ability to really make this look like anything you want to using CSS. And if you actually use the same support company that I use to provide you all support within your accounts, they provide for you a visual editor. So there's really so many cool things that you can do. You can also add, a logo and favicon and different things like that here in your share image. Okay, so this is basically the settings for your whole membership area. So I'm going to go back here now. You can actually create a custom domain as well. So that's something that we could not do in the previous platform, which you don't really know how important that is until you get to a point where you need it and you realize all the workarounds you're going to have to do because you can't create a custom domain. So you do have the ability to do that here, and it's just simple instructions. But remember, of course, that anytime that you do this, if this overwhelms you, just copy this information and give it to your domain registrar, okay? So if you use Bluehost or you use GoDaddy or whatever, just copy and paste that and then contact support. You also can send a welcome email automatically, and you can send drip emails. I don't have that set because I actually have a different system for sending emails. So, but if you wanted to do that, you could do that there. Okay, so let's actually go inside of our product. I'm going to show you what this actually looks like. Okay, so if you want to edit the details of your product, of course you can click here. You can name it whatever you want. You can add a description. You can add a product thumbnail. And then of course you have some settings here if you're familiar with CSS. If you want to, let's preview this here. So this is basically what the course that I've created is, just how to automate YouTube marketing. So I've added, each of these. This is the back end of what it looks like. Okay, so you create product structure. You're going to create a category. Here's my category here. And then within each category, you're going to add a lesson. Okay, so you can click here. You could add a post or add a subcategory. A subcategory would be like underneath the category, right? And then each of these are actually a post. So to preview that, this is what it actually looks like in the live view. So you can click Start Course, and it will bring in the first video. You can upload video so that it's secure. You can use your YouTube videos. You can add text down here. There's lots of things that you can do. And then you can also add files over here. For example, the Pabbly automations and automating YouTube. I did give some documents and things like that. So that's really helpful because you can add different ones for each lesson if you have files. And you know that I love to give away different things. So this really helps you stay organized. Plus, you can come in here and you can mark these as complete as you've gone through the process. Okay, so let's go back in here now, and we can see that's what the preview looks like. And if you want to customize, you have these options here. So this is an actual live course. It tells me up here. If you want to change the header, you can do that here. It's just very, very simple, as you can see. So let's go back. If you want to, the hero, I guess, which is that heading above, you can change that image. You can change the overlay color if you wanted to. There's a product sidebar. You can change the what it says about the instructor or whatever you want it to say. You can add an image here and a name and the title and a description here. That's what you're going to see over here on this side. And then let's go back. And then you have the settings, and then you can change your favicon here, and that's what's going to show up in the top of your browser. Okay, so that is how you can customize. So you guys can see that is so simple. If we wanted to create a brand new course, you can click here and you'll see that you have some templates to use. So do you want to create like a short course to build a gateway to memberships, nurture, mentor your network, marathon course to train and upskill your audience within your niche, or you can build your own. So if I just click here to build my own, I can just give it a name. We'll say test and create product. And then here is what it's going to look like brand new. Okay, you can add an image here. You can create your price. If you want to create an offer, you can do that here. And this all, when you sign up for this, you know, you integrate your Stripe. And so when you create any products or offers or anything inside of your account, it automatically creates that product in Stripe and it will connect it. Okay, so let's go back here now to products, and I have this new one. You can also clone the course if you wanted to. So if I wanted to add a category, let's just do add post, and we'll just do training category. We'll just say training cat. That sounds good. Okay, so now you see where that appears. That's, you know, when you're trying to figure all of these things out, just start like, you don't know what this button does, then just click add a post and then call it something, and you'll, you know, you'll figure it out, right? So if I didn't know what this was, I'm like, oh, create a category. Let's just put a sample, or let's do a sample category, and save. And now you see that's what it does, right? The product structure, when you click there to create a category, it's going to create that category. Now, if you want to add a post or a subcategory, we could do added this post and save. And now you have that, right? Let's see, what is the post look like? So here, when you add your post, or this would be like a module inside of your e-learning, you can select your video and upload it here. You can give your post a title. You can also choose a category. This one is in sample category because that's what we added. So if you want to add a YouTube video, instead of uploading the video here, you can just click here and then embed your YouTube video. Okay, so to get a embed link from a YouTube video, you can just go share, and then you'll see here the embed link. Okay. So let me get out of that. Okay, so, and then of course for this post thumbnail, you can create, you know, an image here and then add your files, and that's what I showed you over, like if I click here in this lesson, And then you see the files here. That's where you would add these here. So it's pretty much, I mean, this layout is pretty much what you're going to expect when it goes live. So once you save everything and you want to publish it, you can just click publish there. And if you want to preview it, just click preview, and then you'll see what your actual lesson looks like. So right now it's all blank and there is no content there. Okay, so you guys, it's really, really simple to create this. All right, now, like I was saying, let me go ahead and just delete this product. I don't know, edit details, I think I know. Oh, delete product. Here we go. Okay, so now I have these two products, right? If you want to look in the Google My Business, if we go to preview, you'll see I have the same header up here. You can start the course, or you can click down here, and then we have the videos, and then you can click through here. So this would be a great, and what I'm intending on using this for is a lead magnet for local business clients, because I have this video course, but I also have a free guide, and that will be like my lead generation for the agency. So you guys, that's how easy it is to create a membership. I mean, it's so easy, and it's really beautiful. It really comes out very professional. It looks good on mobile. It's like, it just, I mean, every e-learning is going to look better on desktop, but it looks really good. It's very professional. There's something else I wanted to tell you guys before I let you go for the day. Make sure that if you need support, that you are clicking here in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. You'll see that we